Okay guys, we're gonna use this old dumplings. Wait, sige, okay lang.
Guys, let's open that dumpling.
Yay! It's a glitter! Let's try and use it.
Ate, pwede ko open mga sa'yo para makita nila.
Wow, ako lang mag-open.
Sad na po nila ko.
Ulitin mo din sa'yo.
Ayaw ko ulitin.
Okay. Brother has 2 dumplings, right?
Look at my 1 dumplings.
I think I'm gonna not choose that. It's a glitter one again, right?
Yeah.
And now I'm gonna use this white dumplings. Wow. Sa akin yan. Okay guys, 3, 2, 1.
Okay, guys, let's open it. 3, 2, 1.
Oh, I'm gonna make a small dumplings.
Oh, I want this.
Again.
It's white. It's me, mo. Blue.
It's like a...
Papakita ko sa'yo.
Ah.
It's for my sister.
And now, let's check. I didn't see my dumplings yet.
Nandiyan dapat yung di pa tapos.
Okay.
Uy, tapos na pala to.
3, 2, 1. I
go!
think I'm gonna pick the glitter one. Oh! The glitter one!
It's for you! This one, guys. Open that.
I think I'm gonna get that. Wait, ako na.
You think you're gonna get that a rainbow?
I don't, it's, okay.
I think you're gotten rainbow.
No!
Kasi daw gusto ko daw. I think you got rainbow.
No, I got, I think it's a boba.
No, a rainbow. Squishy.
Boba yun.
Look
Dahil may mga circle yung mga dumplings natin.
Kaya hindi mo daw yan alam. Sinabi mo daw color blue. Is that a boba?
Color blue?
No, boba.
Yes.
No, boba.
Can I squish your dumplings?
Yeah. Look at my boba.
Okay, 3, 2, 1, go.
Boba!
Boba!
I'm saying it's boba.
Bye-bye guys. Well, thank you for my channel and welcome to my channel.
Yeah.
Bye-bye guys.
Yeah, bye-bye guys.